collapsible wagon that you can use for the beach and also to transfer stuff like the water gallons. You can use it also for picnics. It's amazing. What's so cool about it, it's collapsible, so you can open it and close it like this. It's so dynamic. And those are the wheels. The wheels are also removable. Yeah. So what's a square? You need to put the square in the square and the round in the round. All right. So if it's round here, you need to put it in the round opening like this one in here. And if it's square, you need to put it in the square opening in here. And those are removable, and that's what's so cool about it. It can carry 220 pounds, which is amazing. Look at this, and it can open from the side here, can close, and then you pull it to the back and it can open. Look how convenient. It has this handle, and I believe we shall put the handle on the other side. Full handle, you put it here and you need to click it. Also, this one is removable, so, and also extendable, which makes it super easy for you to pull it. You can collapse it like that and it becomes collapsible, and you close this one like this. So let's put some scenarios and show you how I'm going to load some stuff in it and it can fit into it. Look at this here. You can this is how you remove the wheels, by pressing this yellow button, and it can be removed. And once you install it, you need to make sure it's fixed in place. And this is how you pull it. It's super easy. Wow. I'm going to load right now the water bottles. And let's put this one down. And here, 1 and 2. And I close it like this. Putting this one down, easy not to carry that thing all the way up. And then, wow! This is super nice and easy. Wow. I really love it. This is gonna make my life super easier now. I love this trolley. I hope it makes your life easier too. Carrying your stuff, your laundry, your picnic, the food, whatever your groceries. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and stay cool. Cheers. Look how you can rotate it. Right and left and right and go. Then turn.